These are customer-captured bird moments from 2025. Each season brings its own rhythms and surprises to the natural world. And for those who pause to notice, birds offer some of the most memorable moments. Sometimes it's the thrill of seeing a species for the very first time. Other times, it's a familiar bird revealing something new, a flash of behavior, a tender gesture, or simply its presence in an extraordinary setting. The year's changing scenes invite us to look more closely, to appreciate more deeply, and to celebrate the joy of sharing these discoveries with one another.